Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
For the trading bus, stay for the fun. Happy trading, everyone. My name is Future Orbits, and welcome to some live session here with me today. Hi Orbits, are you on YouTube? Yes, I am on YouTube as well. Right now, I am live on YouTube. Fancy is watching me from YouTube. Hello, Fancy. Maxi, hello, baby. What's up? How's it going? Look at my t-shirt, guys. Gengar in the house. Gengar. Awesome stuff. Hello, Merrick. So, Merrick, literally, look at that. Look at that. 74, 76, TP1. Yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is, guys. Boom. So, 45 minutes before the closure, guys, we had a little bit of a break skid out here. We went from 4,400 and all the way up here to 4,600. And what did I tell you? I'm looking for being overall bearish, coming down to 3,500, 3,000, something like that. Sorry, 3,500, 4,000. But in order for us to do that, we need liquidity. So where is that liquidity gonna lie? Well, I thought that this would be enough here, but there is a little bit more liquidity to be taken here. It can either be here or it could be the 4,700 level here, 4,750, 80, something like that. This would be the ultimate top for me, where you would have like a double top, right, before coming down to continue the bearish trend, right? So what are we looking for here? Well, we're looking for two things. We're looking for either the sell from up here, or we are looking for a buy coming up there. So that's the thing. That's the thing. So right now we can see here that we were trying to break the low here. We failed to do that like 1, 2, 3 times here. So we did it here. We did it here at 4,527, 4,520, and 4,534. So now, if we close bullish here, what I would look for is a continuation to come up to around this level. And if you go here, you go to the daily, right? Go to the daily, and then you take from the impulse leg here and then down. You can actually see here that, oh, sorry, from the high to the low here, that we are very close to the 0.3 level here. 0.3 level would be 4,670, right? And then the 50% would be the 4,839, right? So if we can come up to 4,669, then somewhere in this area we should grab enough liquidity to then continue the bearish trend. And if you look here, you also got a daily fair value gap right there. And then you also got this 4-hour top here, right? So blow off top here and then come up to the liquidity and then come down, or come straight down here. That is the thing, right? So that's what I'm looking for. That's what I want to see here. Is I want to see that we can hold this level here and slowly come up there, or that we break this level and we can sell it down. Are you trading moving averages? That's also what I do. In sell from 4,565, should I close? No, I don't think you should close. Yesterday I couldn't find you on YouTube. I was on YouTube yesterday, but I think I was playing too much copyrighted music for YouTube to keep the live stream open. I got a lot of copyright strikes yesterday for playing that stuff. So we're back in again, guys, on Epidemic Music. I think you can hear it. Kind of boring again, but it is what it is. Just try to change this one. Yeah, at least we can play something. But yeah. So I would love to see if we could come down, grab some liquidity here in these fair value gaps for a buy, or if we're just gonna come up here and then we can sell. But right now we are in no man's land, and I'm just waiting, to be honest. Guess what we can do here, guys? What we can do here is we can take a trade to go up to the highs. The highs here. come down to 47, something like that, I would like to take a buy just towards the highs. Because we're holding that support pretty good. Guess we have to trade range today. Hate scalping, but it is what it is. What it is. Let's see, let's see. Alright. I've shared the details with the team on Telegram. Let's go. How is the war going to affect prices? Hello, Holim. I'm expecting more downside to gold. Honestly, I'm expecting more downside to gold. But right now we are coming up to grab some more liquidity. And if this is enough, whether this is enough or we need to come up to 4,750 first, that I don't know. Just waiting here, guys. Waiting here. How you guys doing? Have you been trading a little bit of gold? Been making some money? Hello M7, how's it going, man? Jimmy, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Alright. See. Get some trades here. Hi there, hello Leon. Hi Orb, long time no seen. Hello, Pork and Fish. How's it going?
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, thank you for the follow. We're just waiting to see if we can get some trades here. Hello, Mugi. W music, mommy. Yeah, let's go. Oh, I don't like the long. I don't know why. It's okay, my friend. If it goes up here, we're gonna take sells. If it goes down here, we're gonna take buys. Just in a range. I'm kind of forced to take helps, even though I don't like it. Hello, Rika.
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, thank you for the follow on Iceland live stream. Hope you're doing well. Ready, guys? Ready? So far, it looks like we're gonna take a sell. Ready, sir. Let's go, Kimi. Guys, if you don't know me, my name is Xauusd. I've been trading for 14 years, and you can check out all the scrolling text over here to see what we have, services, offers, and everything like that. Reach out to my team if you have any questions. If you like what I'm doing, and if you like my trading style, and you know the way I trade, and yeah, what you see, then let me know. Let me know. You can always reach out to them if you have questions. Please join the Discord and the Telegram. We are currently looking for a sell. If we come a little bit further down, we're looking for a buy. Hi, Orbit from the Philippines. Hello, Angel. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Calvo with Paldo with Calvo, right? Paldo with Calvo. Lama po. That works, Angel? You know some Tagalog words? A little bit, a little bit. Have you seen the uptrend line from Monday morning? No, I'm not really looking for an uptrend line, Peter. I'm just looking for sells down towards 3,500. Hi, hello, Dave. Nice to see you. Yes, Salama, thank you. Lame is Bisaya. Oh, what? Elliot Lame is Bisaya. In his English, you look so handsome. Okay, isn't it that? Oh, was it? Wait. Get this. What? Hello? What? Why is it called Filipino? Why is it not called Tagalog? No, whatever. Guapo. I'm guapo. Guapo. Because I haven't seen the Elliot Lamy is Bisaya. I have only seen the guapo. Hey, guapo. Guapa. Just if it breaks below that, then it's good then. Chance to drop, yeah. Yeah. Exactly. I'm looking for that drop, my friend. But I do see 4,700 if it comes to that, Peter. I do see it. Guys, I will take a sell here. I will take a sell here. Let me know entry. Okay, guys, we're in it to win it. Let's see it. Let's see it, guys. Market is bearish, that's why you'll be going against the trend. Mostly, what do you mean? What do you mean going against the trend? We're just taking a little bit of a scalp. Because we are arranging. Morty. But do you understand this, Babsi? Falderwood Calvo. Stop loss 85 better. It's just above. It's just above the 0.78 level, John. So if it takes out that level, we're most likely gonna rip off the top, right? So we'll see. We're just ranging, so I'm fine with 200 pips. I'm fine with 200 pips, or 100 pips, or 150 pips, or 300 pips. Not because I'm looking for massive gains from this, because we're just consolidating. We're just ranging, right? If we break the bottom, great. But if we only hit 45, I'm okay with that. I'm totally fine with that, my friend. Let's go. Replying to the message above. Oh, okay. Okay, guys, let's see. Let's see if we can hit TB1. We are running 30 pips in profit at the moment. We are holding firmly below the sell zone, and and we are not really trying to push away from the 50 MA, so that's good. That's good. We need a very, very weak bullish candle or slightly doji candle, and then we could have like a mini top wick on the next 15. So the hourly will close bearish. How you guys feeling today? How was yesterday? Did anybody join my trade yesterday? With the it came up to, I think it was 32, 33, something like that, and we had like stop loss at 38 or something, and then we just went all the way, hit all the TPs. That was amazing. We're tapping into the entry again. But you can see how price is struggling. Like we're getting somewhere. Do you move your stop loss to be after, let's say, 20 pips in profit? No, I don't. After we hit TP1, or if we move 100 pips or 150 pips, something like that, then I will do it. If we move from here, mostly, if we move from 65 to, let's say, 55, and we close below the 20 EMA, then I will trail the stop loss, right? But it will be better to come down and take out this bottom wick first. Before I start moving the stop loss, because otherwise you're just gonna come up and you hit BE again. See, if we took 30 pips here, you will come up and hit BE now, and now you have to look for another trade, right? So Or do you take partials along the way? Yeah, I do take partials along the way. I do. I will say take partial around 100 pips. And then I will probably move stop loss about 100, 150 pips, 200 pips. And then if you hit TP1, then we can trail stop loss more. If we hit TP2, we can trail stop loss even more.
Never did. Slash was pretty petite. Who is she like, babe? It's me. French kiss make it say we.
Are you in yet? Yes, I entered at 64, 65. Some people are in at 64, some people in at 65. Samuel, you can join. You can still join with 65, so we at entry. Right at entry. Still join.
Double D's plus like 1 or 2 degrees. Take me shopping overseas. Who can do it just like me? Coke bottle the physique. Fashion model but a G. Got a spending green. He ain't sipping on no. Like who gon' tell me no? Keep me icy, make it snow. If he ain't tricking, gotta go. If that's your man and he my, you know I get what I want. Play the back, I'm in the front. I ain't mean, baby, I'm blunt. But it's sweet just like a blunt. Think they sippin' tea about who I'm with, but they ain't bleed. Yeah, I make them all say we. He like, babe, let's make it we. I need a ring, I need a key. I need a diamond, make it bling. Told him, get down on one knee. He know he gotta pay that fee. Fast car never did. Slash was pretty petite.
See if we can come down and hold below 20 and 50 MA.
Got them all like we. Fast car never did. Slash was pretty petite. Who is she like, babe? It's me. French kiss make it say we. Got them all like we.
Okay, we got a quite weak bullish closure here. Get a top wick and then flip. Got no bottom wick first here, so might flip this one. Hello, good morning. Hey, Sig and Mercy. How's it going? You can still make it. We are at 30 pips in drawdown right now. So if you want to join the trade, you still can. Guys, we're at this 0.618 level now. If we stretch it to 0.78 level, that will be 74. You're doing good. I'm doing well, man. How are you, man? PH, why sell? Can you explain why sell things? Yes, of course. We came down here to 33. Then we tapped 31. we tap 31, and then we tap 31. So you have kind of a triangle formation where you are creating the lower highs coming down to this floor here. So you first were up here, and then you created a lower high, then a lower high, and now we're currently either creating a lower high more, or we are coming a little bit off for liquidity stop loss hunting. And then if you break this and come down to here 4,500, then you have enough liquidity to go up to 4,750. So I'm expecting a flush out more here to come down here if you want to go higher up, or we could simply just go directly down, right? Right now I think we're stop loss hunting the highs here, so we are coming up into the 0.78 level. We also have my sell zone here, right here, sell zone. As long as we're holding below 80, we're still bearish.
Get shit on, brother.
Hey, thank you for the follow, Imwet. Sa. Hey, KG. Sa. Up the 0.7 level yet? Yeah, we are almost there. 0.78. Yeah. Maybe an hourly candle sweep. 10 minutes to go. Could be. See?
Burn it down to the ashes.
Nice tune, right, Morty? Yeah. Okay, we flew past here. And 78. We tapped into the high of this sell zone here. So now the question is if we can come back down and close below the sell zone, or if we're gonna totally reject it. If we totally reject it and start creating higher highs here, then we can be looking for buys. Gonna extend the stop loss just a little bit, just in case we have a below of top here. It looks like same situation as yesterday. So guys, I'm trailing the stop loss to 90 instead, okay? Changing the stop loss to 90 instead. That also means I will change the TP. Of course, it's going to be 1-to-1. Okay. Just in case we have a blow off top. We need to see that this 15 is going to come down and close below here. If we don't see that, then we have to wait and see the next candle. To come down with a bottom wick, what we can do is we can close at BE, and then we can get in for buys once we come up and take off the high, right? So for now, it still looks good. We are kind of rejecting the 80 level. Came down to 73 here. Let's see if we can come down below the sell zone. We got 8 minutes left. Still plenty of time, guys. Plenty of time. Let me just fill up some water. Right back. We go. Okay, we're still trying to come below 70 here. Did you get banned from YouTube? Did I get banned from? No. I'm live here. 29 people is watching. Right here. What do you mean? Where are you from? I'm from Scandinavia, my friend. Where did you go yesterday? Where did I go yesterday? What are we talking about here? I don't understand. I didn't go anywhere. I just played copyrighted music. So they shut down my YouTube. Is it safe to sell? We on sell, bro. We on sell. Okay, guys, we're back at entry. Back at entry. 10 pips in drawdown. Let me know if you layered a little bit. I see what happened yesterday. Let's go. Hey, the talking fish. How's it going? Yesterday your stream crashed. Yeah, because I played copyright music. YouTube doesn't like that. On Twitch I can do whatever I want, but on YouTube they have like some kind of stupid policy that I can't play, you know, free to use music. I can only play their stupid library. So yeah, it is what it is. What can I do? What can I do? So I'm now playing epidemic music. I try one day to have fun and, you know, listen to pop music and rock music and R&B. Now we have to listen to this same epidemic music. It is what it is. I just wanted a day where I didn't have to listen to epidemic music. That's all. YouTube shut down. Yup. Okay, guys, we are 30 pips from entry. So the important thing here is to close below the sell zone. You see, we're at the sell zone now. Again, we're below the sell zone. So if you can flip here and come down, then you will see a very nice top wick on the 15, which means we could come up for a little top wick and then continue down to our TP. Okay. Got 4 minutes left, guys. 4 minutes left. But Kimi, yeah, you saw what happened yesterday, right? You saw what happened yesterday. Like, literally, everybody was just saying like, bro, you need to buy. And then it came up to 30 and 33, and then we had like stop loss at 38, and then boom, just crashed down, hit all the teeth. Yeah. Let's see, guys. We are almost at entry again. Based on yesterday trade, I opened a similar trade and took profit. Let's go. Go. We are not looking for much, guys. We're just looking for a few hundred pips because we are in this range here consolidation phase. So yeah, there's not really so much to do. We cannot really, you know, trade on top of the top, or we cannot really trade below the bottom, right? It's just a range. So probably same thing's gonna happen like yesterday. 2 hours or 1 hour before the market closes, we're gonna either see a blow off the top, or we're gonna see like a continuing, right? So I think on this stream we're just gonna look for a few. That's it. My first time here, can you share your trading strategy for gold? Basically I follow the trend, bro, on the higher time frame. And then I try to, you know, when I'm live on Twitch, I see how many hours I'm gonna be live, and then see if are we gonna trade the intraday trading or we trading the scalping, because we're either consolidating or we are getting into a trend, right? If we're not in a trend, which we are not right now, right now we're just consolidating, but we're in this triangle formation, then I'm just trying to sell from the top and buy from the bottom, right? And then if we get a if we get a breakout or something like that, it's just nice, just some extra pips. But I'm not really taking the big trades other than in my VIP. On my VIP, we took a big trade yesterday. We had 500 pips. And we also sold from the very top, like 5,227. So not 5,600, but nobody could know that 5,600 would be the absolute top. But like, 5,227 all the way down to 4,100. So that's pretty nice. And then I'm just expecting more selling pressure, but I'm just waiting to see, do we have a little bit more liquidity to go for here at 4,750? Or are we actually done and the fourth wave is about to start to come down? So I'm trading Elliott wave, Wyckoff wave. I'm trading order blocks, fair value gaps, triangle formation, diagonal patterns. What else? Like I trade pretty much everything, and I just make it my own, because I've been trading for 14 years. So I've seen ups and downs. I've seen like liquidity. I've seen, market crashes. I saw the financial crisis in 2008. I saw it in 2001. I saw it in 2020, right? I saw it during the COVID, right? So I've seen a lot, right? So I'm like, I'm here for the long game, but doing these Twitch streams, you cannot get much because market doesn't really break out during our live sessions. It's very rare. It's very rare. So basically, bro, I took everything that I just talked about and I put it into a analysis on an indicator here. This is my future Xauusd official bank levels. So it will tell me where my sell zone is based off everything I just told you. And we reached that sell zone and you can see the candle close below the sell zone. Now the next one is the midpoint and then we have the buy level here at 39, right? I put my TV right before the buy level, and then I have my sell zone where when we reach that 0.618 level or the 0.5 level, and we also have an order block and a fair value gap in place, and we already took out the top. You can see we are following the triangle formation down. Well, then I'm making it very simple. I'm just going to sell from my sell zone down to the buy zone, and then I'm going to buy up from my buy zone, right? So yeah, guys, we're running here in 20 pips here. Not a lot of movement yet, but let's see. Nice combined strategy that works best for you. Yep. Okay, guys, we're moving. We're moving 40 pips. Let's see if we can come down here in this fair value gap. Can we get access to your in? If you want to join the VIP, or if you want to join the copy trading, or if you want to join the boot camp or the academy or whatever it is, like, you can read about it over here in the scroll text. I don't know if it's big on YouTube, but on Twitch you can read it. And reach out to my team if you have questions, guys. Everything is pretty much free when it comes to the copy trading and the Telegram and Discord and everything like that. But if you want the VIP, the academy, or the bootcamp, it's not free. For copy trading, you literally just invest whatever whatever you can. Like, so if you have if you have low funds, you can invest into the Sense account. Sense account is a minimum of $50. So if you don't have a lot of funds, which is totally fine. If you have a lot of funds, well, then you can invest into the USD strategy, which is going to be $2,500. But it's not going to be $2,500 if you're a new person. If you're a new person, what you can do is you can basically just invest $1,250 and then use the 100% deposit bonus. That means you're going to get $2,500. Because what is $1,250 plus $1,250? $2,500. So yeah, on Sense it's $50. On USD it's $1,250. What about the indicator? This is my indicator. You cannot find this online. This is just for myself. This is basically, I tried to post it and give it, but TradingView says like it's not defined enough. You haven't told people how it actually works. And I'm like, It's basically based off the bank levels where they are gonna buy and sell, and it's also with order blocks, fair value gaps. It's also liquidity sweeps and like where the order flow is at. And then it's too complicated for trading view to say like, okay, this is not something that people can read and you know easily access. So if it's not that, you can't trade it, right? So you can go here and you can find millions of indicators, and they have all this kind of description about like what it does, but I can't really put into words like how exactly it works, because I'm just selling from my sell zone and buying from my buy zone, right? If you know everything is aligned, you know we're in downtrend, so pulling from the sell zone, I really get this order block, we already got wrapped the liquidity above, all these things. But yeah, let's see, guys. Why the stop loss is so big? The stop loss is so big, bro, because as you can see here, we came up to 79. If I put my stop loss 100 pips, you would have a stop loss, right? You need to put your stop loss above the high, right? But my TP is as big as the stop loss, 1-to-1, right? 4,540 and 4,590. And I don't think it's big in 2026. In 2026, bro, we can move like 1,000 pips in a 5-minute candle. So if you want to sit with your 20 pips and 40 pips, be my guest. But like I'm not that kind of person. I've been getting better, but not enough to risk a crap ton yet. It's okay, man. It's okay. It comes over time. Can I open another sell entry? You can. If you already have taken your profit, you can open another one. Okay, guys, we are moving here. 40 pips. All right, guys, 50 pips. You're coming down to the 20 EMA and the 50 EMA. Running 60 plus pips here. I lost 10k last week. I'm sorry to hear that, brother. A lot of people lost a lot of money because people are betting that gold is gonna go up forever. It will, but you need to have corrections as well, obviously. Okay, guys, we are running almost 100 plus pips. Once we get 100 plus pips, we're gonna trail the stop loss, okay? All right. Road to recovery. Yeah, boy. You guys ready? Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's get 100 plus pips, and then we're gonna trail stop loss, okay? We just hit in this 50-minute fair value gap, but honestly, I don't think it has a lot to say. I think we want to come down to this order block first. At least fill the fair value gap and then come down to this order block. Let's see. It also depends on how the 50 zone is going to react. 50 is, you know, a psychology level. People are going to buy in this 50-minute fair value gap. So I think a lot of people are trying to buy here, and then they're going to hit the stop loss. They have stop loss just below here. I think we're going to tap 50 quite quickly. Been waiting for that sound. Let's go, baby. Here we go, guys. 100 plus pips. Please take some partial here. Trail your stop loss to just below entry for risk-free trade. There we go. Right there, baby. Woo. All right. 100 plus pips, guys. Welcome to the stream. What is called the Talking Fish and mostly. All right, guys. Risk-free. Stop loss to just below entry for risk-free trade. All right. Let's see if we can hit TP1. I'm in a call, so I can't listen stream. Okay, here you go. Them. Alright. So much learnings with Obits. I'm glad to hear that, Angel. Risk-free trade, nicely done, bro. You got 100 plus pips, mostly. You took some partial? Took some partial? Yeah, nice. Look at gold go. Look at all the stop losses getting hit here, guys. Look how many people who's buying in this 50-minute fabric gap. So they have stop loss here, 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 here. Now you come down to the 50 EMA and also the 50% of this order block. So there could be some buyers potentially getting in here. But if we leave a fabric gap here, we tap it and then continue down, then a lot of stop losses is going to be triggered. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. I just spilled water all over the place. 2 seconds. Entered at 63. Nice. Awesome, my friend. Okay, guys. So the next level would be the TB1, right? If we hit TB1, what we can do is we can trail the stop loss a little bit more, take a little bit more partial, but then be ready for price to either come down and take out the level here and go straight down to our 4,511. That will be liquidity sweep below the Asia zone. Maybe even 4,500. If it continues down, that's going to be the fourth wave then. But if it recovers back now and creates higher highs, then we are probably going to go to 4,750. But it might take some time, right? We're just chilling. We're just chilling now. Are you live every day, bro? I'm live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Sometimes I will be live mostly I'll be live Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Sometimes there will be some things where I cannot go live, and then I will probably have a Monday or Friday stream instead of that day, or I will just simply not live. I'm not really so attached to the Twitch streaming, like being like there every single Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm trying as much as I possibly can, but if there are more important things, then I have to attend those instead. The VIP stream is going to be the most important always. Because those people are waiting every single Monday to Friday for me to send signals and also go live with me, free New York session and stock market open the Wednesday, Thursday, right? So those are always going to be the first priority. Simple as that. Sometimes I also have a situation where we're in a trade in the VIP and I simply just can't leave them. I cannot, say that, hey, we're just gonna go live on Twitch, then I'm gonna sit with them and we're gonna go over time, which is also totally fine. See, we're struggling with the midpoint here. It's gonna be interesting to see if we can close below it. Remember, guys, when you win a trade, you always lower your risk, okay? So if you have won a trade and won a lot of money, don't go in and risk everything at the next trade. Like, it just doesn't make sense, because if you lose the next trade, you're either break even or you're in loss. That shouldn't be how it should be. It should be like you always end up in profit, right? That's the thing. We're in here now, and whether it's going to go down to TB1 or TB2 or it's going to continue down, we don't really care, because as long as we're in the trade, we have nothing to lose, right? Because we are risk-free, we're in the trade, we've done an analysis, there's nothing we can do. If price comes up, hits BE again, totally fine. We got 100 plus pips and we took partial and we trail a stop loss. So don't chase it, and don't try to like jump in, FOMO in, because you think like this is going to go all the way down. It's a pip 0.01 dollar. So if you have 0.01 lot, that means if you move 100 pips, that's $10. So from here, for example here, from 50 to 60, right? That's $10, and that's 100 pips on a 0.01. So 0.01. Okay, so a normal 500 to 1 or 1 to 500 leverage would be 0.01 equal $10 per 100 pips. Okay? Example 50 to 60. Okay? From 50 to 60 would be 100 pips. Does it make sense? Okay, guys. Wait a second. Camera up. Do you trade Fridays? I don't really trade Fridays. I used to trade Friday, but Friday is often NFP or FOMC, and normal people like retail traders, they cannot take it if I put a stop loss of 1,000 pips or something like that. Even when I put stop loss above the high here, people are still saying like, oh, this is too risky, I don't want to take it. It's like, okay, do your thing. Like, I'm not gonna sit here and have a 20 pip stop loss or a 30 pip or 40 pip stop loss or 100 pip stop loss. No way. Not in 2026. No freaking way. Okay, guys, we're moving here. Coming down to TB1. Be ready here. You're still in the trade. We have TB1 coming up here. And let's see. Can we get it? Can we get it? Can we tap TB1? Can we do it, guys? Come on, TB1, baby. There we go!
Balls hanging low while I pop a ball off of ya. Chain swinging, clang clang, and it costs a lot. Bitch, I'm always at the guala, yeah, and you are not badass beat. Keep on going till you hit the spot. Whoa, I'm a big bag hunter with the bow. She got a big bed, number drop it low. Mama called me.
Let's go, baby. All right, guys. I want you to trail your stop loss to just below this wick here. 64. Okay, 64. Take some partial here. If you haven't done so already. Okay. Boom. Right there. TB1 hit. And that, my friend, is 250 plus pips. Okay. Running 250 plus pips right there. TB1 hit. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Okay. Yo, what's going on? What's good? What's good? How much you made for trading this year, if you don't mind me asking? Oof. I don't know, bro. I can go here and run a historic. Wait. Last year. Show you. Can I... Wait. Can you see it? Whoa! Hello! Alright. 2K in my pockets. Thank you. I can't see the small figures. Are you on the 15? On the 15 minute? We on the 15 minute? Yes, we're on the 15 minute. Why pre is so choppy to trade? It's all about stop loss hunting. Stop loss hunting and liquidity sweeps. Okay, guys, we came down to 25. We did not tap TB1. Sorry, TB2. Sorry, we tapped much more than that. But yeah, we did not tap TB2. Tap TB2. So guys, if this goes up now, you know what time it is, right? You know what that is. That means when we hit 70 or go above there, we're looking for buys. Okay. All right, this could potentially go to 4,750 if I'm saying if the hourly closes above 70, okay? But there's a long way to that. We're 200 pips away, and so far this is just a liquidity sweep, okay? So just calm your tits, okay? Okay. D42, you made some money? Guys, how much you made? I see why you always have dance music, lol. Alright, guys. Please trail your stop loss a little bit more, just above these EMAs here. 61, okay? 61. Alright? That means if you come up and hit B, you still get 40 pips plus TB1. Alright? Okay? Let's see. What's your win rate for copy trading? I don't really close trades, and if I do, I will what's called, I will hedge, and then I will have bigger lot sizes for the opposite trade that I'm doing. So for example, I was in sales from 5,227 and down, right, to 4,100, but then I added buys alongside we come up. And then I will close some of those buys, and then I will enter more sells so that we can have that last sweep. Once we come down to 3,500, then I will only enter for buys. So, you know, it's hedging each other, but we're closing profit on one side, then we're closing profit on the other side. So for this year, my win rate is 100% because I don't really lose, because I don't close trades, if that makes sense. But last year, I think it was between 70 and 80%. I don't know. Like, I'm not that type of guy who comes in and say like I have like 92% win rate, guys. Join my copy trade. No, I will not be that kind of guy. But like, yeah, I'm doing good. All right, guys. Let's see here if we can reject from 60. If we start rejecting again, we might be able to enter for a second trade. Okay, what we want to see is price come down here below 50. Okay, if you come down below 50, we can have a tight stop loss just below the midpoint, okay? But it depends if we're going to be taken out here. We have to see how this 15 is going to close. So far, this is a big liquidity sweep. All right? You can see how price came down and up 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 times from 20 to 40. So big money is running around. How much return to expect with 1K? Oh, we don't do 1K copy trading, just the minimum is $1,250. So that with 100% bonus, you can get 2,500. Oh, but you made my friend pass his evaluation with the trade. Sora. It's amazing, man. Made back my losses for the day. Let's go, Marek. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, guys, we're almost about to hit the BE. That means if we hit the BE, we're out of the trade. Okay, we are officially out of the trade. Don't chase the market, okay? We can still reject here from 60. It all depends. But yeah, this is why you see me don't trail. There we go, guys. We're out of this trade. So, trade 1 hit TB1. That means 250 plus pips, okay? So here, trade 1, 250 plus pips. So now the next trade we're gonna do is either gonna be a buy from 70 and up, or it's gonna be another sell from the midpoint down, or the sell zone down, right? Gotta wait patiently now, guys, because now we need to relax after this liquidity sweep. What you see in here is you see 1, 2, 3, 4 sweeps and 4 lows, which means if we break the next time, you should go all the way down to 4,500, right? But the question is, will we do that, or are we just gonna build up now? Think. NYSE is silver bullet hour, time of manipulation. Win rate says nothing. You can win 10 small trades, earn loss 2 big trades, while still beats 80%. Exactly, Peter. It doesn't really matter. Also, when people come and ask me like, "Oh, so what is your win rate, or what is your risk management on the copy trading, or what is your how many trades do you win per month?" I'm like, bro, if it's really that important to you, it's fine. But in 2026, people don't care about that. At the end of the month, if you are in profit, you're gonna make money, and you over time you're gonna grow. That's just how it is. Like, it's just, you can have, like, if you have proper risk management, you know, you can win 4 out of 10 trades and still be profitable, right? You can win 4 out of 10 trades. If your risk management is in place, you can freaking still be profitable. You don't have to win 8 out of 10 trades. You don't have to win 9 out of 10 trades or 6 out of 10 trades. It all depends on your risk management. Your RR, right? It's like, and how much you're taking per trade. Are you that kind of trader who always takes the same lot size? You do 0.1 every single trade. Or are you that person that scales and be like layering, and you're gonna put multiple lot sizes? Let's say 0.03. Okay, if it's a big trade, all right. But if it's a small trade, you do 0.01, for example. Or you can say, okay, this trade has 100% A++ setup, you know, so I'm gonna risk a little bit more. I'm gonna do 0.05 or 0.1, right? But if it's like, this is a B setup, or this is a A+ setup, you know what? I'm only gonna do 0.0. Right? That's it, guys. That's it. All about your account management and your risk management. How are you taking care of your account? And how are you properly scaling your risk from trade to trade? If you at the end of the month is in profit, you're gonna grow over time. I've seen people be in profit 6 months in a row, and then they blow their account after 6 months. So if you, in a year, 12 months, right? 12 months, can have a growth that says month 1, okay? Let's say you win. This just means you're profitable, okay? Win means you're profitable. I'm not saying that you win how many trades you win. If you have made profit the first month, that's a win. Month 2, if you made more profit or same profit that month, it's a win. Let's say you then lose on month 3, doesn't mean anything. If you then can make sure that out of those 12 months, you win at least 5, okay? So, win, lose, right? Win, win, and then you have 2 really bad months in a row, right? Lose, lose, win, and then win. And let's say December is horrible, you know? Lose. Okay? That means you have won 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. 7 out of 12 months. If you win 7 out of 12 months and you have your risk management in place, you're gonna be profitable. And you're even gonna live from the trading. Let's say you only win 4 of them. Let's take out this one out. And we take this one out. And we take this one out. You only win 4 months of those 12 months. I can't do it with 4 months. We can do it with 4 months because it's not 10 months in a year. There's 12 months in a year. So you have to win 5 months. 5.5 months. You can win 5.5 months and you have your risk management in place with good RR. You can still be profitable. Only 5.5 months. That's all you gotta do. You don't even have to win half of the year. You just have to win 5.5 months of the year. That's it. If your risk management is the same thing, if you have your risk management in place, you have good RR, you can be profitable. 5.5 months per year. That's what it takes. That's what it takes. That's what it takes. Oh. You don't need to wait 12 months. You don't need to wait every single month. Okay? You need to wait when... Okay. Alright. I trade Xauusd with 0.15 lot to 0.20 lot. My confirmation is ICT plus smart money concept. Nice. So you entered here, bro, because you had like a... what do you call it? You had a break of structure here, and then... No, sorry. You have change of character here, boom, and then you had a break of structure, and then you come down and you had another break of structure on the lower time frame, right? Something like that. So this would be like a change of character, this would be a break of structure, and this would be a break of structure. So now something like, I don't know, sweep of the top here. Something like that, you enter there, or vice versa, you would enter here. Something like that, right? I don't know if it's ICT or smart money concept. But of course, everything is lined up with everything. Everything comes, right? Somebody has told somebody who's told somebody who's told somebody something about something, and then we copy each other, all of us, and trading is just the same. It's just a big, fat, like pile of portfolio, right? Portfolio within trading, right? And then from there we all share from each other. Boom, 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 boom. Same thing, different names. Some people see, people smart money concept. Some people use MC, right? Some people use order flow, right? Or OnlyFans, you know, right? Just same thing, different names. It's all the same. It's all the same. Liquidity sweeps, order blocks, order flow, fair value gaps, like DTR, like everything. You're waiting for some kind of sweep, and then you enter once you come into a place where it makes sense, where it's decent, like comfortable, where your stop loss will make sense, right? That's it. Okay, guys. So we had that first trade, 250 plus pips. Now, let's see what we can do from here. So far, we're still following the triangle formation down, and as you can see here, we tapped here again, and now it looks like next time we come down here, we're gonna break it, right? Next time we come down here, we're gonna break it. So either what we can do is we can have a buy on the breakout, or we can have a sell to break the bottom. Okay, that's it. What I will do now, I will look here how the order block and the fair value gap here gonna respect. If it's gonna respect, if it's not gonna respect. Today's gold respected us, not like yesterday. Road to recovery. Let's go. Don't you look at the 1 free 5 minute, bro? No, I don't. For me, that's noise. Breaker blocks and order blocks and liquidity points are good entry points with confirmation. It's all good, my friend. Whatever strategy works for you, it's all good. Okay, it looks like we have a triangle formation. Look at that. Seems like we're having a triangle formation within the triangle. Gotta wait, we gotta be patient, guys. The beats. Let's go, Arnoldson. And we re-entry now. What do you want to re-entry, my friend? You wanna sell based off the triangle formation, or you wanna sell based off the fair value gap, or you wanna sell based off respecting the high, or what are we looking for here? Because I don't see it. I see we're in a triangle formation within the triangle formation, and we need to either respect the triangle formation and come down, and then use the retest to sell, or we need to break out of 4,600 and then retest to buy. But if you want to sell, my friend, you do you. This hourly also haven't closed yet. 30 minutes looks quite nice. For a wick fill, if it comes to that. Are we below the midpoint? No, we're not even below them. Never jump on the gun without confirmation. Exactly, MF. I hope MF stands for mother female, because we really need some female energy here. Because there are so many, like, too much male energy. Guys, too much male energy. Like we talked about yesterday, this is Xauusd party. Not good. Was great watching you trade and win a nice 250 plus pips. All the best for your rest of your trading session. We'll definitely try catching you live again. Enjoy your session. Hey, thank you so much, Moise. And Moise, join the Discord, join the Telegram. Bro, don't just leave us without saying goodbye, and also not joining the Discord. We all know what MS stands for. Yeah, it stands for medium freshman year, or meal fresh for freshmen, or mini refrigerator, you know. Medium fried, thank you. Yes, there we go, mommies. There we go. Mommy, you're such a motherfucker to say. No? How dare you? So guys, if you are enjoying what you are watching, and yeah, if you like my trading style and the way I trade, yeah, please reach out to my team. You can read all the text over here, see what we have. Want to join the VIP? Right now we have actually, I forgot to say this, I said it yesterday, but let me say it again. We have right now an Easter offer, right? You know what that means? That means you can get the VIP not for $149 per month, but right now only $75, okay? Normally I take $149 per month for VIP. Nope, right now $75. You can join 1 month if you want. You can join for 3 months. You can join for 6 months, 12 months. It's up to you. Right now you can get VIP for $75 per month. So if that's something you like, well, this is only for Easter, so this is pre-Easter and offer, right? And you know, till how long is the deal? Until Easter. After Easter is done. Then I want to join lifetime. We don't have lifetime, Arnoldson, but you can join for a year, and that will basically be lifetime, because in 1 year you would have pretty much learned everything you need to know about trading, right? So you're possibly not gonna stay with us longer than 1 year. So if you join for 1 year, it's basically lifetime. The longest I've had a person was 4 years, and that was after the 4 years he went pro, like he went professional trading, right? So that's the longest I've had. But yeah, normally people will learn within 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. I don't think we need a lifetime offer. Interesting. Will do. Goodbye. See you. See you mostly. Okay, let's see if we can grab a second trade, guys. Let's see if we can grab a second trade. Need to wait for the 15-minute closure here. I still got my second layer, 73 still open. Sorry, Arnold, accidentally attacked you. That's good. That's good, Morty. If it goes down from here, if you get a retest here and it goes all the way down to 4,500, and we take out that low, then you could come down to 4,450 to retest, or you could come down and grab liquidity below 4,300, right? And then you can see if you're gonna hold up from 4,200 or you're gonna break that and come down to 4,000. But if it happens now, it could, like Morty, it could, honestly, but it just looks like we're gonna have the same thing as we had yesterday, right? Where, you know, you are in this consolidation for the whole day, and then 45 minutes before the market closes, you break that top, grab more liquidity. I don't want it to go there, but I will not be surprised if price can go to 4,750 before finally coming down to 3,500 or 4,000. I wouldn't be surprised. But of course, if we keep respecting structure and we're just pushing more and more down, then we get down to the floor. And once you break the floor, we're not talking about a triangle formation, right? We're talking about a descending triangle formation. So that means the more you get like lower highs and higher lows, the closer you get to the floor. And once you break the floor, yeah, we go far down, right? So you're in a really good position right now. Don't get me wrong, you're in a really good position. Guys, I think I will have a second position here if we break. We'll have a second position here if we break out. It's stop loss just below, just above here. So let me see here. Gonna have a sell stop, guys. 4,450. Stop loss is gonna be above, of course. That top wick there, 70. And then EB1 is gonna be 30. Right? And then we're gonna blow that bottom out. We're gonna come down to that. Gonna come down to that 4,495, and then if we can come down from there, we can go to 4,000. Right? But it's a sell stop, guys. It's a sell stop. That means you have to break the triangle for me. Okay. All right. You have to break the triangle for me. Hourly is closing in 12 minutes, guys. Hourly is closing in 12 minutes, so we can still come up from here. If we do, then you need to be careful, right? So we're not in the trade yet. We're not in the trade yet. I'm just saying that this is what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for. Okay. Because overall, Morty, I am looking for sales. You know that. I am looking for sales. I just wouldn't be surprised if we have one more sweep of liquidity at some point. Probably not now, but 1-2 hours before the market closes. After I'm not live anymore. Wouldn't be surprised. You mean 4,550 entry? Yes, correct. If we break out of this triangle formation, then 4,550. But in order to get there, we need to take out the triangle formation. Understand, Maverick? And if we take out the triangle formation, well, then we're gonna, you know, we probably gonna take the buy on top of the triangle formation. You type 4,400. Oh, sorry. Damn. I still think we are on 4,400. I'm sorry, guys. There we go. Are you in a trade? No, we are not in a trade yet. We're not in a trade, boss. We took one trade. We got 250 plus pips. Not in a trade yet. Fem, I need you. People think we're in a trade. So as long as we stay above 55 and 60 and 65, guys, then we are looking for those buys above the high, right? And the higher up we come, the better chances for sells there are if we reject the highs. Fem is jiggling. Jigglypuff. Jiggly, 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 puff. Hey, thank you for the like, my friend. Nice to see you on live stream. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for the subscription, Sess. Nine minutes until the hourly, guys. 9 minutes until the hourly closure. If we get a bearish closure, then we could be looking for those sells down, right? But if you get a bullish closure where we flip, Arnoldson, you are a subscriber. Use some of our emojis, please. I don't want to see that Chinese lady bouncing with her head, okay? Or whatever it is. I want to see some future hopist emoji. Morty needs it. He needs that adrenaline. So guys, again, we are only looking for the continuation cells if we can break this triangle formation and come down here, okay? If the hourly closes bullish and we break 70, we're looking for a breakout of the high, okay? Going up to 4,750, all right? How do you make your triangle formation, bro? Explain. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this, guys. All right, so let's remove everything. We go to the daily, and what we're seeing is that currently we're bullish, which means we are looking for buys short term for some of those parallel gaps to be filled. Then we go to the 4 hour and we notice that, oh, every time we come down, we reject. Every time we come up, we reject, which means you can draw a triangle from the high, going through the top wick, going through the next top wick, there. And you can draw a triangle from the bottom wick and the top wick, okay? But you can do it a little bit closer and do it here instead. Okay, so that's a 4 hour triangle formation, okay? And you go to the hourly and you see, okay, is it lining up with the 4 hour that we talked about? All right, we can see we need to settle this a little bit more here so it lines up. Something like this, right? Great. Then you go to the 30 minute and you see, is it lining up? Yes, this wick is touching this wick and this wick is touching this wick. Good. Could we have one more line? Yes, we could. Why? Because we have two touching here as well. So this would be the confirmation break of this triangle formation, and this is within the triangle formation, and this will be above the triangle formation. Then we go to the 15 minute. What you notice is that within this triangle formation, you also have another triangle formation. But this one, you would just be taken from here to this high, and then down here. Boom. And then you will take from this low to this low, this low here. So everything within this triangle formation is a attempt to break out this triangle formation. Everything below this triangle formation is an attempt to break out this triangle formation. But we have 1, 2 support areas here. We have 1, 2 resistance areas here. So until you break out here, you're not really bullish. Until you break out here, you're not really bearish. So that's how I draw it. Does it make sense? Does it make sense, mummies? So Arnold. No, not Arnold. Sorry, mummy. Right now we are trying to attempt to break out of that triangle formation. But do you see how it's get rejected here? Get rejected there. It's an attempt. It's an attempt. 5 minutes we have the hourly closure. If the hourly closure flips green, that means this candle is either going to close doji or it's going to close slightly bearish. If it closes slightly bearish, next hourly could simply be like this. Same thing here, right? You closed bullish, but you still continue down bearish. So if this one closes bearish, you could still continue bullish, right? Because it's a platform. It's a platform to go to the next level. Just a bounce. Just bounce. It's not really a bearish candle or a bullish candle. It's simply just a bounce to the next level. So here, you were bearish, you came down, and you use this to bounce down to the next level. Here, you were bullish, you use this to bounce up to the next level. Same thing can occur here. You see this formation here? This looks quite similar to this one, right? So if this closes like this, I would believe that we are trying to take out the triangle formation and push up to the upside. But if it closes very bearish, then it could be an order block with a top wick coming down. Right? Simple as that. We're just waiting for this hourly to close either doji, slightly bearish, or make a platform to go up. If this comes down now in the last few seconds and closes very bearish, we can use it as an order block to sell. If this closes like this, I would assume that this is a platform to go up to the next high. But in this case, it will be an attempt to break out the high because I'm still waiting for that liquidity above because there's many stop losses here, right? So these 50% would be here. And as you can see here, I have my 50 MA here at 4,745. So I would assume this again is an assumption that the next hourly will close something like this. Then you will have a green candle, flip out, take out the triangle formation, and grab all those liquidities and all those stop losses. Okay? Perfect explanation, but I enjoy when you execute the trade due to your experience. No problem, bro. I will follow your signal. Fancy, it will come. It will come. Just wait for the hourly to close. Okay? 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So guys, be ready to see how this hourly is going to close. Is it going to close within the triangle formation? Is it going to close above the triangle formation? Are we going to execute on the sell here, or are we going to execute on the buy? See this? You see now? Do you see this now here, mummy? Now it doesn't look so much like this one anymore, right? Now it looks a little bit slightly more bearish. Still here, we could still use this as a platform to go up. But if we come more down, it's going to look like an order block respecting the 50% of this order block. So the more bearish you are on the hourly, the more it looks like a bearish order block to go down. But the more doji, or the more closer to a fake out into a bullish continuation it is, the more it looks like a breakout. Does this make sense? So you don't always have to just follow the triangle formation, or you don't always have to follow fair value gaps, order blocks, and all that. You can also look at the pattern, because price is repetitive, right? It repeats itself again and again. So what you have here was a bullish candle, and then you had a slightly doji, slightly bearish candle, and then a continuation to the upside. Bullish candle, slightly doji candle, bearish candle, to continue to the upside. It might just come down here, close bearish here. Well, we use it as an order block. What happened last time we had an order block? Boom. Tapped the 0.3%, came down. Came down. Came down. Came down. We might have another order block, right? Crystal clear. You're welcome, man. 1 minute, guys. Let's see. Okay, we closed. We closed within the triangle formation, so we are right here now. Okay. So we're gonna move this now. We're gonna move this now, guys. We're gonna move this to 47. Okay. And we're gonna have buy stop above here. Not at 47, but at if we take out this high, okay? Alright. So this is gonna be it. Above is gonna be buys, below is gonna be sells. Okay, we're not in a trade yet. I'm just telling you that this is the situation we're having. So it's not 50, it's gonna be 47, alright? Now wait for this triangle formation to break out. Now I'll tell you when to get in, okay? You're approaching here. Look at the hourly. Look at the hourly here, how it looks like a bearish order block. But if it comes up and takes out this, then it could just be a platform to go to the next level. But if it rejects here, comes down, we're not going to miss the move down because you're going to come down for a wick fill. Okay? Not always about trend, guys. It's also about repetitive behavior in the market, and also like how big are the candles, how large are the candles, like what are they showing, what story are they telling. Okay, here we go, guys. We are now coming up here without a bottom wick. Notice this, without a bottom wick. Okay, see if we get another rejection. Okay, be ready, guys. Be ready. Be ready. Okay, we got wick fill liquidity here. So might look like we're respecting the order block here. Okay, respecting the triangle formation once more here. So for now, I'm looking at the bearish scenario. For now, I'm looking at the bearish scenario. I'm not looking for the bullish scenario. Okay. For now, I'm not looking for a bearish scenario. But if we take out the high, then we could be buying. Okay. Guys, we're not in a trade yet, but prepare your sell stops. Sell stops is going to be 47, okay? 4,547. Prepare your sell stops. That means if we come down, we take out this triangle formation, and we get in for the sell. That means a continuation down. That means you're in the trade. You don't have to execute on the market. You have to put your sell stop. So that if price suddenly goes down, you're going to be in the trade, okay? So far, no confirmation. We're still in the triangle formation. But it looks more bearish now. It looks more bearish now because you're in the order block and you have a wick fill liquidity here. What we can do is we're gonna have a very, very tight stop loss just above these highs if we go down. Okay. What we can do is we can have very tight stop loss here, guys. Very tight stop loss. Just 70 pips. And we can take a sell now. We can take a sell now and just have a very tight stop loss above here, okay? So remove your sell stop here and then enter for a sell now. Very tight stop loss just above the highs, okay? Let's see. And see if the wick fill liquidity is going to be respected. If not, then we can enter at deep trade out. Okay. This is a very tight stop loss. Till now. At 58, 59. Let me know entry, guys. Let me know entry. Okay. Stop loss is just above. Just above. Very tight stop loss. Not something crazy. It's gonna be 40. 49. Okay. TP2 is gonna be the 4,325. Okay. Right. Here we go. And here we go, guys. You're in it. All right, guys. We're moving. Moving 40 pips. Moving 40 pips. Let's see here. I'm just gonna set 2 TPs for now. Okay. Let's see if we can break it. If we see if we can break it. This is very tight stop loss just above. Okay, guys. So let's see here. You see we respected here weekly fill liquidity on the order block on the hourly here and the 15-minute, right? So if we come down now, let's see. Still in the triangle formation. Haven't broken it yet. When we come down to the end of the triangle formation, guys, I'm gonna trail the stop loss because it's gonna be too risky if it rejects again and comes up to the top. Okay, here we are running 30 pips. Okay, we're coming down to the end of the triangle formation. Okay, not yet. Still in the triangle formation.
Use what talents you possess. The woods would be very silent if no bird sang there.
So in the triangle formation, we are still rejecting here.
Who sang best.
Okay, running 20 pips. Okay, guys, once we come down to the end of the triangle formation, we're gonna trail our stop loss because it's too, you can see here, you can see how it doesn't want to break it. It looks more like this is gonna be a breakout to the upside, to be honest. Barely holding on, but it doesn't want to break the triangle formation. Guys, exit this trade, take the 10 pips, then take the 10 pips, 10 pip, minus 10 pip. Exit the trade. We didn't want to break the triangle formation. We didn't want to break it, and we are going up now. Are you exited? Are you all exited? It was just 10 pips. It was 10 pips. It was 10 pips. So let me just remove this. So it's gonna be 10 pips instead. Okay, so we took 10 pips there. I exited because This was about to break the triangle formation, but it didn't want to break it. So instead, what we're gonna do, trust your setup. No, bro, this was just a very tight stop loss. It's not gonna hold the stop loss if it wants to take the stop loss above here. The one before, I trusted it 100% because of A++ setup. This is not A++ setup. This is basically just, are we out? Yes, we out, we out, bro, we out. So I will go back to the one I had before. So it's gonna be sell stop here, and it's gonna be buy above here, okay? Gonna go back. We're in a triangle formation, bro. It's not an A++ setup at all. This was simply just if we could break the triangle formation right there. Not at all. See? Okay, back to the original. I wasn't sure about this one. I was just watching. Good. So you haven't lost anything. We're not in a trade, guys, but we have a sell stop at 47, okay? So if price breaks here to the downside, we can enter here. If price breaks to the upside, we can enter here, okay? Because you can see how we came down to the end of the triangle formation, and then we came back again. The only reason why I wanted to take that trade and put stop loss just above here, mummies, is because it looked like we were coming down towards the end of the triangle for me. But we were not. We pushed up again. And if you look at the 30-minute, you are coming down, rejecting, coming down, rejecting, coming down, rejecting, coming down, rejecting, right? But you're not really flipping. You're not really giving that push. So it looks like we're actually accumulating break the high. And if that's the case, then I don't want to be in the trade because it's going to be 100 pips just because it takes the liquidity above, right? Doesn't make sense. I rather want to wait to see a break of the triangle formation and then enter. That's why we have sell stop down here, and that's why we have a buy stop up here. But I can't put the buy stop yet before I see that we're bullish, right? Right now we are no man's land. We're just in a triangle formation. If you want to sell, if you want to buy, it's a 50-50, right? Before it looked more like sell, but now it looks like 50-50. So, no thank you. Still waiting for confirmation. Have to wait for the 15-minute closure. Bro, hi, today I'm a little late. Can I entry? Not yet, Rudy. First trade we had 250 plus pips. We are waiting for the second trade. Paul, are you yourself in that trade, or if so, are you on what platform? I was in the trade, but I exited minus 10 pips because I didn't like the setup. But this is the broker, bro. This is the broker. Came down to the end of the triangle formation again. See? Tap the triangle formation once more. See if we can break to either of the sides. The first 15 has closed, guys. We're approaching the cell stop, but before we break the triangle formation, it's not a confirmation. Have you set your cell stop, guys? Have you set your cell stop? Are you ready? Yes, sir. Nice. Let's see if we're breaking, guys. Let's see if we're breaking. Okay, I delete the buy setup for now. Okay, everybody. If we break the triangle formation, we're gonna be in the trade, okay? If we come straight back up again, then I'm going back to my buy setup, okay? Right now, we're still respecting the 50, right? See? Triangle formation kind of broke here. People getting in for sells. Could be a fake out. Come straight back up again. Let's see. Would have been a good trade, mommies, but it was simply too risky. Simply too risky. The stop loss was only 100 pips. Didn't like it. Didn't like it. Okay, guys, are we in? Let me know if you're in the trade. Let me know if you're in the trade. Activate it. Yes, sir. In the trade. Let's go. Let's go. We're in. Let's go, guys. Let's see. Let's see. If we can follow through here. We are 20 pips in drawdown here. Here, this is the break. In here. Got 9 minutes until the 30-minute closure. Best scenario for us would be that the 30 closes below 30, literally. Like if we can come down and take out 30, the 30-minute, that will be amazing. Okay, guys. I don't know why. Can't spell that, but whatever. Alright. Now the scenario becomes a little bit more less because we are breaking the triangle formation. No man, what is this elevator music? I have no idea, bro. It's epidemic music, Morty. Better, Morty. Morty. I got no Ronnie. I'm alone, baby, but I'm horny. Oh, let's get to it, man. On it, Bonnie. Yeah. 10 minutes until the 30-minute closure, guys. What we want to see is a 30-minute closing below the midpoint. Entry again? You want to enter again? My base spin is pumping now. Let's go. We had a much better entry before, guys, when we sold at 67. But yeah, I had to close that one because it was in the middle of a triangle formation and we didn't show that follow through that we're showing now. So would have been a much better risk to reward. Would have been a much better trading setup. But it is what it is. We are in it now. Need to win it. Got a fatty, batty, like a Maggie, like a Maggie. Back in the triangle formation. Oh my god. Oh, this consolidation bullshit. Yeah, now we would just have been at entry before. Just have to close below the triangle. Close below the triangle. I'm new here. What are we waiting for? Hey, Ping. We are currently in a trade. We sold here at 47 at the breakout of this triangle formation. But we are currently back at it again. So you get a much better entry if you want to take this. Here. Hourly script structure and buys. No matter what this happened, I'm using 0.05 for this one. Oh, that's a lot, my friend. That's a lot. That's a lot. Let's see if we can reject here, come down again. We are in the triangle formation again, but the 15 just has to close below the triangle formation. Platform? Oh. $3.15 for me. Let's see, guys. Just need to close below the triangle for me. But gold keeps wanting to do all this bullslachen. This consolidation. We're back in the triangle formation again, guys. We didn't get the breakout. Didn't get the breakout. But we keep rejecting the 20 MA and the 50 MA, so far it looks good. Have to come down and close below the triangle formation. Don't over leverage. No, do not over leverage. How are you feeling with that 0.15 now? Me, I ain't feeling that good with my 0.05. Trust me, I bought that t-shirt. This one? Gengar. Gengar, he will haunt you in your dreams. Alright guys, we just gotta close below that triangle formation. If we close below the triangle formation, I'm thinking about adding another layer and extending the stop loss. I don't put emotion in my trade. That's good, man. I'm happy for you. I also don't trade emotionally. But when I'm on live stream here with Twitch, you know, I gotta pump up the anxiety for people, right? I'm joking. I gotta put something at stake, right? I gotta make it a little bit exciting, a little bit. We need a little bit thrill. We need a little bit of adrenaline, you know. Thing. Okay, guys. You ready? You ready? You ready? You ready? Let's see if we can break it. Let's see if we can break that low. Nah, that's not what we want to see. We don't want to see a... How did the 30 close? Came down, took the liquidity, but closed a little bit more bearish and closed below the triangle formation on the 30. 30 started with bearish candle and we got a top wick already. So, yeah. Elendo, Chuk. How's it going, man? All right. What happened to the music? Waiting position here, guys. Waiting position here, huh? Waiting position. Guys, I'm gonna add one more layer, okay? Add one more layer. Here. Go. Boom. And then I'm gonna extend the stop loss to 69. Right? Oh, not 69, sorry, 70. Right? Here. I'm in 2 trades now, okay? 2 trades. Okay. This is trade 2. And this is trade 3. Alright. So trade 3. Here. Sell now. At 55. Stop loss is 70. And TB1 is gonna be the 30, 35, right? Sorry. 30. TB2 is gonna be the same thing. And TB3 is gonna be the same thing. But we don't need to worry about that now. Don't need to worry about that now. And you know my rules, you know how I trade. So basically, when you come down here and we take out this bottom wick, we're gonna move our stop loss to below entry for this trade, and then you can either close at B or you can take some profit there and then trail your stop loss. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for this candle to close. Once it closes, we can trail a stop loss here, okay? Do sell right now. Yep. Okay, guys. Let me know your entries. Let's see. We can come down for a wick fill here. Let me know your entries, guys. Let me know your entries. Once we take out 47, guys, we're gonna close this one at BE or a little bit in profit and trail our stop loss on this one. And then we're gonna be risk-free in this one, okay? Why did you add the second trade? Because we broke the triangle formation and it really points us down. It's like making a new triangle formation here, bro. Like, it really looks bearish. Also, we stay below the 20 MA and the 50 MA. So let's see. Looks very bearish. Looks very bearish. See? I would like price to come down to at least 4,511. That can happen. Then if it goes up to 4,750 after that, it's okay for me. It doesn't really matter. Preferable, I would like it to go down to 4,000 and just go all the way down now, but 4,511 is fine enough for me. But this is so like, it's so tight. It's so tight, right? Everything is so tight. Paul, thank you for the subscription. Let's see, guys. Future, are you in a trade too? Yes, I'm in a trade too, bro. I'm in a trade too, man. Ah, fuck. We should go down, unless price wants to go up and take all the liquidity suddenly before the market closes. But I think it's not going to happen yet. I think that would happen like 2 hours or 1 hour before the market closes. I think we still need to break that triangle formation low here. Come down to that 11. See, guys? Now tapping 60. Grabbing some more liquidity there. Crazy market, man. Crazy market. Coming up to tap that triangle formation top again. Holy. Now I guess this is extended. It's gonna be extended one. Wow. Today has been like watching paint dry. Yeah, it's so boring, right? It's so slow. Have you been taking some trades today? Six cents. Raphael, why did you add the second trade? Because we at that time broke that triangle formation, but the triangle formation has been extended. So we should have waited for lower. But even if I put the sell stop here at 46 or 45, it would still have been triggered. We went all the way down to 45. So it's just, guys, patience is key. Just wait for it. Wait for it. You have to be patient about this. What I think will happen is that we will tap here a few times, and then once we finally break, we're going to come down, take out these lows, come down to 4,500. Once we get there, we're going to have a final sweep at 4,750. If it doesn't happen, it's just going to go straight down to 4,300. And then over Asia session, we're either going to retest at 4,750 or we're going to go straight down to 4,000. Yes, sir. Up 300 pips. Thinking about closing the charts at 5 p.m. Nice. For me, it's 5:42 p.m. So I'm thinking about closing like at 6:30. Because if it goes too close to 7 p.m., 8 p.m., that is 1 hour, 2 hours before the market closes, and that's when you might see a breakout. So yeah. Assad, thank you for the follow. Nice and live stream. Hope you're doing well. My friend, we are currently waiting for a breakout here to the downside. We have been struggling a lot with trying to get up, and order blocks has been piling up here, and we have been bearish on all time frames all the way down. Right now we're seeing a little bit of bullish momentum here, but it looks like every time we go up, the buyers lose momentum and the sellers takes over. So I'm just waiting here. A little bit in drawdown, we added another sell, another layer. Our first trade, we went 250 plus pips. I'm hoping that we can at least get one of these trades. If we come down below here, we're gonna trail stop loss in this one, and then we're gonna either close at BP or a little bit in profit, and then we have our better entry. Not everyone's account can handle those pullbacks. Well, then you're trading too high. If you have $100 account, do not trade more than 0.01 and do not take an extra leg. Do not handle it. But if you have a $1,000 account, I would still say do not trade more than 0.02, especially if you want to take 2 layers. So it's I think nowadays in 2025, 2026, I think a $5,000 to $10,000 account would be normal for people. If they don't have $5,000 to $10,000 to trade with, it's gonna be difficult to trade, and then you might end up in a funded. But the problem with funded is that most funded accounts you cannot hold overnight. You have these phases, these challenges that you have to get through, and they have all these kind of withdrawals terms, and sometimes they won't give you withdrawals and stuff like that. So you're really limiting yourself, even though you have more funds to trade. So yeah, like I prefer to trade on a live account because I can choose whatever I want myself. But yeah, in 2026, I think $5,000, $10,000 should be the amount that you have to trade. If you want to have big trades, right? If you just want to scalp and take 10 pips or 20 pips, be my guess. But a candle nowadays can move like 100 pips or 500 pips. Crazy. Some of these candles are crazy. Okay, guys, this might be it. We just got a mini, tiny bullish candle here. So we are holding that low. We're holding below 60. So if we can get a big bearish candle to the downside now, it will be amazing. But chat, let me know, what is your way of trading? How do you trade? And yeah, what is your account size? We need good entries to grow small accounts, please. And I gave you a good entry. Consolidation bullshit. I thought I gave a good entry here at 47 because we broke the triangle formation, so we could just go down. But it was a fake out, so we came into this situation here. Also, if you're looking for entries at the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, or 10 minute, or 12 minute, 7 minute, it's not me, bro. I trade on the 50 minute as the lowest time frame. I don't look at lower time frames than that. Yeah, I think it's kind of noisy. No? Okay, Arnoldson, I think we're about to break here. Look at that. I can actually take my line now. Here. Look at that. It's difficult like today. The market acts like an all-stopping man who do things against every analysis. What are you saying to me? I'm Goldie. I will tell you exactly what I want. At some point I can go 2,000 pips in 30 minutes. Sometimes you gotta wait for the proper entry. It's not my problem or my issue that you guys are lazy motherfuckers and that you cannot wait. You have no patience in your life. So suck my fat one. That's what Goldie wants to say to you. Patience is key, guys. Okay, guys, we're moving a little bit. Come on. I use 30-minute minimum for entries, 4-hour and daily for direction. That's also what I do for my copy trading and also what I do for my own trading. But when we are on Twitch and we have 2-3 hours to be live, sometimes you won't get that chance. Sometimes I cannot wait and sit and wait for that kind of entry. Like it's too much because these people are coming here with their small accounts and they're expecting like a big trade or 100 trades, right? Like it's not gonna happen. I'm not gonna give that to them. So I'm trying to make it so we can take some scalps or some intraday trading or some day trading, but swing trading and long-term trading, it's just not happening on the Twitch stream because people don't have the patience for it, and they don't have the account for it. So that's what we do in the VIP. We take long-term trades. We sold for example, from 5,227, and we took profit all the way down to 4,100. We haven't even hit my TB4 yet, 3,900. I'm still expecting a little sweep below 4,000, either 3,900 or 3,750, maybe 3,500 max. That's my max. Let's see. Bang on, exactly. Broke your trend line. Yes, let's see if it can go down. Okay, guys, you ready? This might be it. This might be it, okay? This might be it. Don't get your hopes up. Calm your tits down, okay? All right. This might be it. Okay. Yo, my bro, the best streamer is on. Hey, Tiruso, are you looking for rock music, right? You're looking for rock music. I'll give you rock music, my friend. Guys, sorry if you're not into rock music, we gotta play some rock music for Cherry Shoes. We just need that candle to close berries outside. Let's go, baby. Come on. Come on, guys. And guys, remember what I said to you. Once we close below 47, 45, you close this trade and BE or a little bit in profit, and you move stop loss if you don't want to close it. Then this is your better entry. And we trail that stop loss, okay? All right. Here we go, guys. You ready? You guys ready? Cherry Shoe, you can still make it if you enter now, but otherwise it's going to be too late. Here we go. Come on, baby. Come on. Give it to us. Yeah. Come on. Come on, Goldie. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Come on, Goldie. Yes, this is my bro, best streamer. Sniper trader. Wouldn't call myself a sniper trader. I'm everything but a sniper trader because I don't get the perfect entries, but I get humongous pips sometimes. Do not go back into the triangle formation again. We don't want another triangle formation, okay? This is it. Break the low. Come down to 4,511 and let's be done with it, okay? Come on, guys. Is this it? Is this it? 9 minutes until the hourly closure. Are you ready? If we close below 30 now or 45, we should be bearish. Should. Coulda, woulda, coulda. Who's in this trade? Let me know. Anybody sit in this trade with me?
Let's go!
Come on. Come on, Goldie. And we're all in. Let's go, Arnoldson. Let's go. Nope. Don't go back into triangle formation. We're done. We're done. Goldie. You gotta calm down now. You gotta calm your tits down now. Still holding on. Sin Max. Back into triangle formation again, guys. Oh my god, I'm not flipping. Oh. Well. Too much accumulation, yeah. Baby. Too much accumulation, man. Dora, we need future orbits emotes. Still in, but that's what I mean. Gold do its own thing. Gold is like the annoying little brother, you know? It's like when you push him, he's gonna cry and go to his mom and say like, "Mama, he's bullying me." And then he's gonna, like the mom is gonna punish you. And you're gonna feel like, oh, like, why did this happen, right? And then on the other hand, she's like the lovely brother that sometimes he can be fun to play with. He can, we are having a good time on the playground, or we're playing football, or, call it soccer, or we're doing some kind of, we're playing games. We're having fun. It's good. Everything is nice. Same thing over and over again. Either he's gonna cry to his mom because we're bullying him, and then, we're gonna get bullied, right? Or it's like, yeah. So right now I feel like he's crying to his mom and he's just like giving us so much shit. I have to run, but glad I bumped into your channel. I have enjoyed it. Keep up the good work. Okay, Paul, I'll see you, man. There's a strong op on the 15-minute time frame for buy and sell. Goldie. Let's see, guys. This hourly also looks like a nothing burger. But you have so many wicks to the upside that is just confirming a bearish formation. And the triangle formation here and the order block and the fair value gap has been rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And you're getting lower lows and lower highs all the freaking time. The only thing that's holding us back is these momentum buyers that comes in here from this order block here. I can't fathom how they're still holding on. Like, I don't understand it, literally. I'm here with you all day. Either we go steak tonight or potatoes. So let's go, bro. Love the music. What up? AMD, American McDonald's domination. No. No. Yes. Yes. Right, guys? Right? American McDonald's domination. KW. Nice. You are an ICT trader, I guess. Eat steak or chew on ice. American manipulative Donald Trump. Oh, that's a good one, Black Goat. That's a good one. I love it. Guys, I gotta go soon. The owl is gonna close in 3 minutes. Looks like it's gonna close bearish. And it looks like we are pointing towards the downside. But we still have 3 minutes. So let's see. Let's see. Bro, you feel me tonight with this music. Subscribe, chat, best streamer, best music. And fucking awesome trades. Let's go. Let's see, bro. Got 3 minutes until the hourly closure. If the hourly closure closes bearish, then we can have a continuation and come down and at least hit some of our GPs. But if this flips in the last second and it closes doji, and it's a platform to go up, well, I don't know, bro. Okay, guys, we had enough rock music. It's time for action music. Time for Goldie to step up. Okay, guys, you ready? What is the exact time now by you? It is 5:58. 5:58, my friend. 2 minutes before 6 p.m. Come on, Goldie. One minute, guys. You know, that's a tune. Yes. Morty. Come on. Come on, Morty. Let me get some bumping heads in the chat, guys. Like the cat, you know, I don't know. The song is called what is called Heist Music, and it's from Nightcap. Heist Music from Nightcap. I'm putting it in the chat. nightcap. Okay, cool. It's exactly now 6:59. Yes, it is. And now, guys, it's 6 p.m. Let's see what the candle is gonna do. We close bearish. Let's see. Are we gonna break it and come down and hit all our TPs? Or we're gonna have another hour of just consolidation. As soon as we come down here, guys, we're gonna trail our stop loss and we're gonna call it a day. Okay? This is it. This is it, guys. Ready? The Sam for the win. It's on epidemic music. Epidemic music, Morty. Okay, guys, in 4 minutes, 4 minutes, we should have a reaction. This hour between 6 and 7 p.m. is usually when you either break the trend line or you are having a final accumulation for the push. And if we only have accumulation this hour, then we're gonna exit the trades and we're gonna call it a day, right? Get a top wick now, we reject and we come down. It's perfect. Let's see. Wait, what is this music? What is it called? Oh yeah. Okay, guys. You ready? Morty, are you ready? The expense. The suspense. Come on, goalie. Come on. Dav, are you here? Bjorn? Okay. Come on, guys. Let's go. Who is in this trade? Who is in this trade, guys? Who is in this trade? Let me know. Let me know. Who is in this trade? It's a rope. I'm pulling down the candle. Okay, okay. Go, baby. Okay, guys, please trail your stop loss on this one here, risk free on this one, and either close a little bit in profit or be with this one and then keep this second trade. Okay, if we come up, take out this one, it's okay. We are risk free for this one. Okay, that means 47 is now your risk free third trade. Okay, we still have the second trade, which is the best one, from 54. Okay. So if it comes up, hits BE here, you are risk-free for this one, and we have the 54. Alright, guys? Let's go. Hula bula, kaza, kaza. Okay, guys, we are moving 100 plus pips from this here. Please trail your stop loss here. Right there. Take partial here. Take partial here. 100 plus pips. 100 plus pips. There we go. Let's see if we're going to survive this one. There we go. We are out of this trade. We now have our only trade here. Risk-free here for this one. Okay. Boom. 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 And let's call it a night. Let's call it a night, guys. Risk-free. Stop loss at BE. 4,554. Okay. Boom. Done. Call it a night. Worst trading session ever. But we still got them 250 plus pips. We still got 100 plus more pips. All right. Let's go, guys. Everybody understood this? Everybody won? Everybody good? If it comes up now, hits 54, it's okay. It's okay. It is what it is. We got 100 pips. We worked hard for this. We waited so long. No more. This is it, guys. If it comes up, I'm happy with the 100 pips. We got 350 plus pips today. Okay? 350 plus pips. That must count for something. Yesterday, we also got 350 plus pips. All right. Who made some profit today? Who made some profit today? Let's go.
Let's go!
Run. Everybody should be risk-free. Everybody should be in profit. Everybody should have made some money. Milt, you lost today. How did you lose, my friend? How did you lose? We haven't hit any stop losses. We jumped out of that minus 10 pip trade here. Let's see, guys. Are we still in the trade? Are we still in the trade? We're still in the trade for now. If it comes up here, takes us out, then we are out. Let's see. Are we still in? Are we still in? Are we still in, guys? Are we still in? That's it. That's it, guys. That's it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, if you were joined these trades and you had a fun with this, then my name is Xauusd. I've been trading for 14 years. You can join our VIP. Right now we have the $75 offer. We normally take $149 per month. Now it's only $75 because we have Easter. Pre-Easter, okay? Pre-Easter. All right. So that's an offer. We also have copy trading. 100% hands-free trading. I'm trading for you on behalf of your account. So you just, you know, put the deposit and then I will trade it. And whatever we win, we will do profit split. So profit split is going to be 65% for you and 39.5% for me. Okay, so there's no, I'm not taking any money of your deposit. I'm not taking any money of your overall trading or anything like that on the broker. I'm only taking profit of what we make. I take my 39.5%, you take 60.5%. That's it. Okay, other than that, we have VIP Academy, and yeah, we have bootcamp. Let me know if you want to learn more from me. Reach out to my team by clicking exclamation mark team here. Discord, Telegram, we got it all. Let me know if you're interested. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for the last trading session day tomorrow. I'm gonna be live tomorrow as well, first day, and then after that, no more. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week so far, and I'll see you tomorrow again. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and reach out to my team if you have questions. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, guys.
Dance for me, oh, oh, oh. I've never seen anybody do the things you do before.